Hello, hi everybody. You'll notice you're closer, and I cleaned up my desk, got some stuff moved around. So, anyway, here we are. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be an F-35 build. It is this one right here. It's an Academy kit, F-35B, and I've gone ahead and cut the first couple of things off the sprues because I knew you guys might want to see the drilling and the very beginning of it. So that's what we're doing here. Okay, so all right, so we're gonna get started here. So we gotta drill out these holes. Well, yeah. I really don't like these instructions. Really don't like these instructions. They're kind of terrible. So anyway, right here, these 6 holes. Three on this. Three. No, it's more than 6 holes. Anyway, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. So they are 1mm holes, and I'm sure they're for pylons. I guess I went all out when I bought this kit. I bought the photo etch for this kit, which has colored photo etch. So it's got colored seat belts, and it's got colored instrument panel pieces and everything. And it's got, this is a bunch of photo etch right here on the back. So anyway, so I got that. I also got a canopy mask set. I got remove before flight steel stickers. Not stickers, I'm sorry. Photo etch. And I got the fancy mask set for the radar tape that's on the outside of the aircraft. So anyway, so we're going to go all out on this one here. My X-Acto is on the other table. So I'm going to have to get the X-Acto knife so I can work on this stuff here. So hold on, be right back. Okay, alright, so I was just going to get my X-Acto knife so I could just very gently cut off the swarf that was caused when I drilled those holes. There's some raised detail right here. I'm trying not to cut the raised detail. I of course have a brand new blade in my X-Acto knife because I make it a habit anytime I sit down for a new modeling session, I put a new blade in my X-Acto knife because I don't want to get hurt by a dull blade, and that's the way it happens. I mean, less people get hurt by a sharp blade than by a dull blade. So I got nothing to back that up, but I just think that's true. Oh, it's funny. We're funny. Humans are funny. we just think stuff or whatever. And anyway, so yeah. So what's on your bench? What are you working on? Put some comments in there, and don't forget to subscribe and hit like. Um, we're keeping this to 30 minutes. The other ones were too long, and I don't edit, so it gets. I'm sure there's some stuff that people don't like to see that would normally be edited out. Anyway, I'm not too worried about that, but I know you guys don't want to watch an hour-long video I mean, if you want to watch an hour-long video, watch two of them, because these are going to be 30 minutes or right around 30 minutes. Um, I just, they're easier for me to upload. There's just, it's just better. So, anyway, I've got a timer set. So, when you guys hear the timer go off, you'll know we're done. And I'm gonna, ooh, that's too deep a cut. Oh, I'm screwing this up right here. Screwing that hole up. Because this is a brand new blade. And it got underneath the other plastic. So now it's made a white mark. Bummer. But I don't have to fill anything in. It didn't rip a hole through it, so that's good. See, you can't do these from the other side because you can't see them. And that's the way it's supposed to be. You're not supposed to be able to tell that there's stuff screwed underneath there. Sometimes if I go back through the hole from the other side, sometimes it will cut that little bit of swarf off the hole. I don't want to start pushing the bit around and making the hole bigger. But anyway, so 4 of them I was able to do without using the X-Acto knife, and now I got to do the X-Acto on these last 2. Okay, good enough. Well, no, it's not. My OCD kicked in. Okay, it's good enough now. Alright, then we have this piece. Like I said, I went ahead and cut these off the sprue just to make things a little quicker, because since it's going to be a short video, I didn't want to... Where does that go? Didn't want to... waste time just cutting stuff off the sprue. I figured you guys could, knew how to cut stuff off the sprue, or could at least figure it out. cutting stuff off the sprue is not that big a deal. See, I was trying to put that in the wrong side. Okay, that one goes there. This one goes here. Just like that. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. Okay. Those are on there. Then it looks like the whole kit and caboodle goes in right here, like this. Wow. It's like a snap fit kit. That's pretty cool. Okay. I can't believe none of this PE is for the underneath side. But it's not. It's not. I already went through it. I marked. Let me show you guys. So I went through the instructions here, and I had my PE photo etch instructions as well. And so I went through the whole book, the whole instruction manual here, and everywhere that I had a photo etch thing, I wrote in the book right here, PE photo etch, PE photo etch, right? Because that's gonna make me stop. Say, okay, wait a minute, let's go look over here. What do I need? Get it out. Do all that jazz. But yeah, I went through the whole thing, and yeah, see PE right there, PE. All that's got PE. That's all cockpit stuff. Yeah, all that. Anyway, so okay, yeah. So at least I think I will be able to figure out when to put in the PE and when to not. I hope. I hope. Wasn't there? Oh, it's on that. Yeah. Okay, I gotta put some cement on this. Right there. Right there. Those pins. And then we're gonna sneak some right in there. And right in there. And right there. And right there. I need a little bit right here. See, I moved all my stuff. Now I can get to it. Imagine that. It's funny how that works. My backwards clothespins here that work fantastically, and I'm going to show you guys how to do this real quick. All right, let's put that down there. Let's close this up before I knock it over. So you take your regular clothespin and you take it off the thing. Then you turn them over, back to the backs, and you put them back through the spring. So the first one goes right there. Now, why didn't I do that right? There we go. Now I'm in the right spot. Well, of course I can't do it quickly because the camera's on. That's the way it works. Like gravity, it just is. Okay, there we go. So now, see, it's on they're on backwards like that. What that does is it gives you a longer reach here than you had before, and it gives you more clamping pressure. They're very strong when you do them that way. So anyway, okay, back to this. And I'm gonna have to cut some stuff off the sprues, but I did want to start with that, so you could see the holes get drilled and see how that first part went together. So I'm gonna put these over here for right now. And we need sprue B. See this crazy thing? Okay, so I guess we do these two things. But we haven't made this yet. Oh, but this is that. What? Alright, let's just find the sprues first. Where's B? Where is B? Where's my B sprue? This is B. Okay. B17 and B18. B17. And 18, 17. And 18. Oh, I see. 18 has that big long proboscis. Okay. 15 and 18. Okay. And then we're going to need B1 and B2, which are not on. Oh, yes, they are on this sprue. Sorry. B1 and B2. I was thinking I had two B sprues, but no. Alright. Okay. Got B2. Okay. Then we need C sprue. C 24 and 25, right? No, 25 and 26, sorry. Right here. I tell you, I will give Academy some props. They're doing the correct way of lettering so you can see the things easily from either side. And they have started, well, I say started, I'm not sure when this kit came out, but these numbers are bigger and more crisp, I think. They're very crisp on here. And that makes a difference, man. You know, starting to get old like me, and eyesight's not the best in the world anymore. And you start appreciating the fact that somebody went to the trouble to make something very crisp and to make it in a size that would be easy to read. So okay, we're just cleaning up the sprue nibs real quick. There's not much to do. I think this is all part of the inside engine exhaust or intake, maybe. Yeah, I think it's part of the intake that goes into the engine. So you're not going to see most of this. But some things like this, that sprue nib is on the bottom of a pin. It's a rectangular pin, but it's a pin nonetheless. And if you don't get the stuff off of there, you could have some fitment issues, some fit issues, right? Because maybe that holds it out off the bottom a little bit. It doesn't go all the way in because it's there. You never really know what's going to happen down the line. A little sprue nib, a 1 millimeter, or half a millimeter sprue nib left on something can change the fitment so that when you get 2, 3, 4 steps down the line in your instructions, now all of a sudden you've got like a 1 millimeter gap in something that shouldn't have a gap at all. And you can trace it all back to a sprue nib somewhere, probably. Happens a lot to people. And so anyway, just to help yourself, so you don't cause yourself a lot of grief, it's better to just clean them off. Just clean them off. Okay, this, oh, okay, it's that one right there. Yeah, I think I gotta look at this because one way one way is you have an option. Oh, this is your option. That's the straight. This is the straight, which I'm not doing. I'm gonna do it in the VTOL configuration. So I'm going down this side, but still gotta do this up here. Okay. All right, this one. B17 and B18. That's this one and this one, right? Well, it has to be that one, but it doesn't. That's. See, look at this crazy stuff. This is what I'm talking about, these instructions. See this right here? One arrow, two arrows, right? One pin, two pin. One hole, another hole, right? Two holes. This is the only piece that has this long thing on it out of all those I just cut up. So this has to be that piece. And there's not two, there's only one. And then a flat up there where the other one would be. See, it's little things like that. See, and this has got no. They just want you to make sure it's straight, apparently. Yeah, this is gonna be a royal pain in the butt to cement. Yeah, it's as close as I'm gonna get, I think. I will. Yeah, it got underneath my finger a little bit right there, but you know what? This is going to be on the inside. Nobody's ever going to see it. Nobody's ever going to see it. And there's no color call-outs here for anything. So I don't even know if it's supposed to be painted. I guess what I'll do is I'll get this sub-assembly put together. Figure out the PE that's needed right here. And then see where all this fits, and then make a determination of whether I'm gonna worry or whether I need to paint, figure out paint color or something. Oh, stop. Well, that's our 30 minutes right there. So I tell you, I'm gonna go just a little bit over, so maybe I can get this put together quickly. That's this side. So that goes down here. Okay. This one goes right there. Okay. Now, you are going to see, or you are going to be able to see up in the engine. And that engine is not, I mean, this is a 1/72nd scale, thing, but it's still, you're going to be able to see it. I think well, I guess ultimately you're not, right? Because this thing is going to be hooked up to it going down like that. So yeah, you'll never see up in there. I tell you what, I would love, 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 love to be able to have the skills to be able to switch jobs and go to work doing CAD for a model company. I think that would be great. Now, I do understand it's still a job, man. You know, um, people are gonna say, "Oh, it's a job. Then you won't want to do it at home." Well, maybe, but I really like doing this type of work. The fiddly bits, the stuff you have to work a little bit more. You got to sand a little bit more. You got to, all that kind of stuff. That's the part I like, is fiddling around with it all. And, putting it together, building it. If I need to scratch build something, I'll give it a try. I'm terrible at it, but, I give it a shot. Alright, those parts can sit there for a minute. Okay. Then this is going to go in here. Like this. You know what? There's a little bit of flash right there. Just the very most minorest about. I'm just gonna do a little scrape there. Gone. That was all it took. All right. So this goes this way. This is gonna go in here, like this. Oh, into that center of that thing right there. Huh. Okay. Didn't know that was gonna happen. Well, let's put a little bit of extra thin on the end of here. And it goes into the center of the fan that you just put on. That's where it goes, right there. And these two go together. A little bit of glue, a little bit of cement, please. There we go. All right, come on, stick. Stick, so I don't have to keep holding you. There we go. I can't tell if it's supposed to be able to, if that's supposed to be right up against it, or I would glue it there too, probably. Because so far you hadn't given me too much stuff to glue to. I know this is a 72nd scale kit, but come on. Not that we've put a lot of it together, but I am liking this kit so far. I'm enjoying it. So far there's not been a lot of flash. I just had a little bit right there, but that's it. So far, that's all the flash I've had, I like the plastic. Okay. All right. Okay, well, I'm just going to glue these other two pieces on right here. Um, they go here. No, it's got to be that one, right? No, hood the other way around, you dip. Oh, I'm such an idiot sometimes. Okay. So this one goes on this side. Goes right there. What? Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. Okay, wait a minute. Let's put this way. Okay. That's the way there. So which side is this? Oh, big ejector pin mark right there. I'll have to take care of real quick. Then this is supposed to go on there. Like right there. Okay. Oh, man. Wow, there's no location. No location for this. No pins, no slot, no nothing. Oh, look at all those ejector pin marks. Good thing this is going to be on the inside. So, really? I'm supposed to put that right there like that? And just... with what? With spit and bubble gum? Oh, it says inside. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. So, maybe they go right there? Well, they don't go all the way back there. They don't go like that. This is the one that goes there. And it goes this way. It's supposed to go here? No. Okay, yeah, it shows this going to right there. I think that see, that's what I'm talking about. They put the word inside there. It doesn't go inside anything. It goes right there like that. Ah. Yeah, like I said, not a fan of the kit instructions. Oh, there's just a hairline thing of flash right there. Come on now. Here we go. Come on, stick. glue's dried, so I'm trying to get it where I can hold it. Where I can hold it and glue it without my fingers being in the way and having it run up my fingers with capillary action. Those Brits. Capillary. It cracks me up. I tell you, it's actually not the best fit. I mean, it looks like, well, actually it is, but just nowhere to hold it. Come on. Alright, well, you've seen enough of this. I'm just going to glue these on, and then I'm going to figure out the PE on this part right here. And I'm going to go ahead and put it together and do the PE, and then I'll be done. And the next video I'll have some more stuff. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody. Be good to your neighbors and keep modeling. Bye-bye.